all coloured, all coloured. Red and blue and green and yellow and orange, not distinct colour, but merging together to give a blurred, vivid pattern.
There's a very large stained glass window through which the sun shines. The window takes up the whole of the wall, and it's bright blues and yellows and reds, the colours that you see in churches. The sun shines through and provides the only light. But what the picture is on the window, I don't know. I just have this knowledge of the colours in it and the sun shining through.
All coloured.
And the sun shining through.
And it was all colours like the rainbow, as if there was a light shining behind it.
The sun shines through and provides the only light.
As if there was a light shining behind it. All of a sudden I saw a cloud of spray. The water was coloured with blue and yellow and green, but the colours all merged together like a sheet, a whole sheet, a glowing sheet of colour. The colours not distinct, but merging all into one, giving an effect of a rainbow effect. A great spray, a silent spray, rising from the river, and behind it a mass of colour, red and blue and green and yellow and orange, not distinct colour, but merging together to give a blurred, vivid pattern.
Bright blues and yellows and reds, the colours that you see in churches.
Green, yellow, orange.
Greys and greens.
Red.
It's just vivid green.
It's red, kind of a terracotta red.
Red.
Black and white.
White.
Silver. Glittering silver.
Orange. Yellow.
Bluey colours, bluey greeny colours.
White, grey, blue, black.
All round is just nothing but green. I can't see anything else. It's just vivid green.
It's red. It's a very funny red.
Red. The heart was red.
A very funny red. The whole of the surface is red. It's the colour of clay, I suppose. Yes, it's the colour of clay, and the sun has dried the whole of this surface. It's just like the moon.
Everything was black and white and so natural.
Just like the moon.
Black.
Black. White.
I'm the waiter in a cocktail party. I'm wearing a white jacket and black trousers and black tie. And everybody in the cocktail party is in black suits and black ties, white shirts. All the ladies are in black and white.
Black. White.
Silver. The glasses are silver, glittering silver. There seems to be no colour at all. There is no colour at all. There seems to be no colour at all, as far as I can remember.